Yo, what's up, people? Today we are going to be checking out the movie John Wick 1. Came out in 2014. Stars Keanu Reeves. I heard through the grapevine it's actually a pretty good movie, full of action from start to finish. So let's check it out, see what it's about. Damn, this man looks like he's been to war. Definitely bleeding out heaps.
What are you doing, John?
Looking at you.
Come here.
Bit of a ladies' man too, is he? Was she in a coma? Oh, did they just turn life support off on her? That would be so crap, having to go and watch your missus die and stuff like that. There forever, once you're in the dirt. The amount of money you gotta pay these days to get buried as well, that's insane. Like what, 6 grand just to get chucked in the hole with a casket? Look at all the buildings in the background. We don't really have big buildings like that in New Zealand.
How you holding up?
I keep asking why her.
There's no rhyme or reason to this life. Just checking up on
This is the dude from Spider-Man, right? The Green Goblin. Is it Danny Defoe?
Right, John.
Good friend though, he came to his missus' funeral, showed his support.
John Wick?
Yes.
Sign here, please.
Damn, they're delivering packages so late.
And the pen?
Sorry.
Here you go. Good night.
Thanks.
What is it? It's in a cage.
John, I'm sorry I can't be there for you. But you still need something, someone to love. So start with this. Because the card doesn't count.
She got him a dog. That's pretty cool that she got him a dog, knowing that if she passed away, he'd still have something. And if it lives like 14 years, it's a memory of her for 14 years as well. What is it, a beagle? Is it a beagle? Pet dog? Personally, myself, I'm a more of a big dog person. I like the Carne Corsos and the Rottweilers, the red-nosed pit bulls and stuff.
I'm up. I'm up.
Puppies, eh? All energetic. Love dogs.
Hey. Oh. Right.
Damn, that's a high fiber breakfast.
Grab you some.
That dog's gonna need to go toilet in another 5 minutes. That dog's probably like, what, 3 months old? What's that, $3.83 a gallon?
Твою сестру? Опять?
Пошел нахуй, мудак.
Сигареты возьми, блин.
Bloody gas in New Zealand's about $3 a litre.
Nice ride.
I like this dude's jacket.
Mustang. Boss 429. She a 70.
69.
It's a nice car though. That's pure American muscle right there.
Thanks.
How much?
Excuse me.
How much for the car?
She's not for sale.
Oh, I love dogs. Упси во сука е цвайцана.
A what they suka nieto.
Ah, shame. You didn't know you spoke your language.
You have good day, sir.
Not to try to act tough thinking he didn't know what you were speaking. Cool dog. Damn, it's nearly 2 AM. That thing's full of energy. Who's in his house? Not to hit him from behind. That's that dude from the gas station. You can tell by his eyes. Really? Come for the car? Oh, what a scumbag. Imagine kicking like a 3-month-old puppy.
Ты ключ нашел? Ага. Вот они.
Yeah, wanna be tough guys. Pussies.
Спи спокойно.
Fuck, all the blood. Oh, it's the dog, man. It crawled all the way over to him to die beside him. That's bullshit. You gotta kill something so innocent like that. Or for a car. You know, an hour ago that thing was full of energy running around, and now it's buried in dirt. Just put the collar right next to his dead wife's bracelet. It's the last thing she gave him too.
Where'd you get that car?
And they even baseball batted the other car. Bro, I hope he smashes this guy. He's on a bit of a mission. He hasn't even changed out the clothes that he got beaten up in yet. And he even knew exactly where to come to. So he's obviously in this type of business, right? If he knows exactly where to go to.
Joseph Tarasov, Nick.
Joseph Tarasov.
Alright, get out of here. Just get out of my shop. Get out right now.
Just lose your shit, Aurelio? Because we own you.
What, so his dad owns the chop shop?
Wait, what did you say? What did you say to me?
We own you.
The owner of the car. Did you kill him or what?
No. Sure as hell fucked up his dog.
Yeah, what a
You
peasant.
did. You fucked up his dog.
Look at him, he thinks he's the man too.
Crazy shit, man.
Oh shit, yeah boy.
Oh, look at you. It's great.
He deserved that,
You're gonna come
100%.
into my shop and you're gonna pull a gun on me. That's great, man. Come on. Now you kill me right now.
Damn, this dude fearless.
But you get the fuck out of my shop.
Vigo.
One shot that boy went down.
Eagle likes or doesn't like. Tell you something he's gonna understand.
Guess we'll be taking our business someplace else.
He knows he's messed up though, eh? That other dude, when he says, you know, he's gonna understand, his face changed.
I need a ride.
Damn, they even gave him a mean car as well.
Aurelio speaking.
I heard you struck my son.
Ah, so this dude's the father, is he?
May I ask why?
Yeah, well, because he stole John Wick's car, sir, and killed his dog.
So obviously John Wick's someone with power, right? If he's supposed to be the top man and he's doing nothing about it.
That's a nice jacket.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Even his old man's giving him a hiding.
Should I go?
No wonder he's like how he is.
There you go. English, please. Come on.
Stay, goddammit! I'm not talking about Atlantic City, you know?
So he's using his son as a hitman as well.
You mean Aurelio's? So I stole the fucking car.
Oh, fuck, Vigo.
Right, you stay.
That's what you get for killing their dog, boy.
It's not what you did, son, that angers me, sir. It's who you did it to.
Who? The fucking nobody?
That fucking nobody is John Wick.
Who's John Wick, though? But like I've been saying, everyone who says his name, like, treats it with respect.
He once was an associate of ours. We called him Baba Yaga.
The boogeyman?
Well, John wasn't exactly the boogeyman.
How do you get a nickname like the Boogeyman?
He was the one you sent to kill the fucking boogeyman.
Oh no, and he killed his dog. GG.
Oh, John is a man of focus, commitment, sheer will. Something you know very little about.
Oh, that's not good.
I once saw him kill 3 men in a bar with a pencil.
A pencil.
With a fucking pencil.
That's a different breed. That's up close and personal with a pencil.
Suddenly one day, he asked to leave. It's over a woman, of course. So I made a deal with him. I gave him an impossible task. A job no one could have pulled off.
Damn, what is he digging up?
The bodies he buried that day laid the foundation of what we are now.
Bet I hope he's not digging up the tools of the trade.
A few days after his wife died, you steal his car and kill his fucking dog.
Oh, dude, you're gone. You're a goner.
Oh, how do you plan that?
By finishing what I started.
What the fuck? Did you hear a fucking word I said?
Papa, я все исправлю, пожалуйста.
Obviously, he's a dumb kid, right?
John will come for you.
What is it?
And you will do nothing because you can do nothing. So get the fuck out of my sight.
What do you do though if John's gonna come for your kid? How do you protect your kid? Because look at this, he's dug up the tools of the trade. Guns, K-bar knives, silencers.
Hello, John. I heard about your wife. I'm sorry. My condolences. Let us not resort to our baser instincts and handle this like civilized men to move on.
Oh, bro, he is not in a talking mood. Your son effed up.
What he said.
Absolutely nothing.
Enough. Task your crew.
How many?
How many do you have?
Damn, they're sending a whole hit squad after him. Oh, they're at his house. He's in the dark. Damn, he's a good shot. 100% the way he just took that dude out. Damn, they're getting obliterated in this house. And he's good at hand-to-hand combat. And he's taking no prisoners either, he's killing everyone. How many people are in this house? Bro, just run out the front door. God, he's so good. Oh, they both lost their guns now. God damn. It's like fighting the Monkey King or something. He broke his neck. Oh, that was close. He almost got him in the leg with that knife. He's good, man. He's got like heaps of jiu-jitsu takedowns, everything. Oh, Over's 2-on-1 with that knife. Hit him in the elbow so it breaks the... yeah. Oh, it's the cops. Now he's gonna have to take them out too if they see all the bodies.
Evening, John. Evening, Jimmy. Noise complaint.
Noise complaint.
So he knows him. Oh no, he's seen the body.
You, working again?
No, just sorting some stuff out.
Oh, well. I'll leave you be then.
Wait, what? So the cop seen the body and just didn't even care. It's like, oh, you're working again. Bro, I still can't believe he took that dude's neck out with that. Bro said, good night, your vertebrae. That dude's missing teeth.
Goodbye, Charlie.
John.
What the hell? He can just ring up and get a cleaning crew to come and clean his house.
Put a contract on John Wick.
How much?
2 million.
And I've got a phone. I want to offer you this face-to-face, seeing as how you might find it personal. Would you kill John Wick for $2 million?
Surely not. Not if he's going to his wife's funeral, right?
After all, you were close.
Is the contract exclusive?
No, it's open. It's a timely matter. It has to be handled quickly.
Consider it done.
Well, what a scumbag.
Thank you, Marcus. I know I can trust you. Thanks for the drink.
Bro goes to his wife's funeral, what, a day or two ago?
Room 980. Do enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Good seeing you again, John.
Perkins.
Damn, Perkins fine. Why is he paying for everything with these gold coins?
And as always, it is a pleasure having you with us again, Mr. Wick.
Damn, that's a secret room. You had to go down like an elevator, stairs, through the laundry room just to get to the door.
Now, as I recall, weren't you the one tasked to dole out the beatings, not receive them?
Rusty, I guess.
You got out once. You dipped so much as a pinky back into this pond. You may well find something reaches out and drags you back into its depths.
Where do I find him?
Hey, they killed his dog though.
If they're willing to break the rules of Continental, double the bounty.
What's the penalty though? Because if it's a fee they could just pay off with like money or something. If you get paid more, you could just pay that fine off, right?
So tell me, how was life on the other side?
It was good, Eddie. Far better than I deserved.
Compliments of the house.
Thanks.
Oh, he's here. So's that other guy too. Come in, brother, have a drink with us.
Are you scared of the fucking boogeyman?
I'm not.
No. But you should be.
Hey, they got a lot of security in their club.
Bottle. Right fucking now, go get me a bottle. Come on.
Dude look like a peasant in front of his friends.
Hello, Francis. Mr. Vic.
Damn, he knows him too.
20 kilogramов. Да.
60 pounds, what's that, like 25 kilos?
Are you here on business, sir? Afraid so, Francis. Why don't you take the night off? Thank you, sir.
No way he let him go. What a good dude. That's how you know he's a good dude, because he's not killing his old friends. Oh, was that in the ear hole? And that was a pencil too, right?
Fuck you, motherfucker.
Oh shit. Yeah, that's what you get. Damn, he gave up his mate so quick. It's gonna drown him. And break his neck. Yeah, John Wick's like a chiropractor. There he is. Missed of the wrong person, buddy. How's he taking him out without like no one hearing the shot though? Ooh. Bro, he's staring in his eyes. Bro, he is savage. You can see what he means when that dude said that he was so focused. Well, he didn't see him though. Oh, you're in the open. He is so good at hand-to-hand combat. Checkmate. he doing? God, imagine watching him kill someone like that right in front of you, knowing that he's after you. God, look at this tank. What a combo. Good night. Look at the size of that gun. He's so good at shooting, eh? His shots are always spot on and perfect. Yeah, run for your life, boy. Just gotta blend in with the crowd, right? Or not. Damn, he said. Look, everyone just still dancing like nothing even happened. Bro, that dude is not gonna stop John Wick. Damn, he's even got like, I don't even know what that is, those throws are. What's that thing Steven Seagal does where it's like using the momentum of that person's body? Sheesh, and a teep kick. See, that's jiu-jitsu there. That's BJJ. And that is just John Wick. All of these people should have just rung in sick that day. He must take like the best of every single... Oh, vase to the face. He double shot him. He double shot his head to make sure he was dead. God, the movie's just a whole bunch of pink mist. We're still running in his tail.
Come on, come on.
Oh, he got hit. Didn't even see him get shot. Damn, this other dude's pretty good at hand-to-hand combat as well. Damn, what a kick. Oh shit, nah, this dude's good. Let's go, John. You gotta take a beating, but you gotta give a beating. Oh, watch out for the bottle. Ooh. That wouldn't be a normal stab wound either, right? If he's using the bottle. Because wouldn't it be like a circle puncture all the way through?
Victor's dead.
Hitting him with that Russian back. How much people did he kill in that club? That was so many. Bro's out there handing out the death sentence to everyone in that club.
Is the doctor in?
Yes, sir. 24/7.
Send him up, please.
Yes, sir.
How good's your laundry?
I'm sorry to say that no one's that good.
Bro's just casually walking into the motel after killing like 50 people.
So what sort of movement am I looking at?
Well, if you're looking to heal, and keep it marginal. Take 2 of these beforehand. Your stitches will tear, and you'll bleed. But you'll have full function.
Ah, okay, so it's like a painkiller. Just numb everything before you go into combat. Ooh, shit. That was so close. That was like that far away.
Hey, John.
What are you up to, Perkins?
I thought I'd let myself in.
I noticed.
Vigo's giving me 4 to break hotel rules.
It's a noise I just showed you.
God, he is not playing around with her either. He does not care that she's a woman. Damn, she got those hands. Oh, she's trying to Kimura him. Are you gonna get out that one? Damn, she good. Run into, yeah, I was gonna say run into a wall, just smack your head on the corner. Damn, she got those Tito Ortiz knees. Oh, she's burst her stitches open. What's he doing with the bed sheet? Oh, damn. Not they can't see the punches coming.
We have received a number of grievances from your floor concerning the noise.
My apologies. I was dealing with an uninvited guest.
He needs to get her before she gets out. She gapping. Oh, never mind. He's right there.
Where's Yosef? Do you really want to die here, Perkins?
Damn, she hot and she can fight.
Little Russia. There's a church near Cannon Court.
What about it?
It's a front.
Damn, he got that barrel right on her forehead, eh? Damn, bro hit her with the sleeping pills.
I know you. I'm thinking so.
Hey, John.
Hey, Harry.
Everything all right?
This guy just knows absolutely everyone.
You keen on earning a coin? Babysitting a sleeping one?
Catch and release?
Catch and release.
That's pretty cool he didn't kill her though. He had all the rights to kill her.
My son, how might I help you?
Ooh, there goes your kneecap. Good luck ever walking on that leg again. Damn, he even kills people in a church. Bro's out there shooting the pastor. That was well done.
Vigo will kill me.
So will he. At least you can live for a little bit before Vigo gets there. Find out something anyway to get out.
Ladies, out.
Damn, even he's got a lot of coins.
What do you think you're going to do with all of that?
This.
Incendiary grenades. Ah, it was a trap. Just like he did with his son, how he lured John Wick to the club. He's lured him to the church. They are so ruthless in this movie.
Don't worry. Housekeeping will find you.
Looks at the tape, there's a huge mustache on it.
You are no lady. Trust me.
Did she just pop her thumb joint? Oh, she didn't even make a face when she did that.
You've broken the rules. You've done business on continental grounds. And management does not take kindly to that sort of...
He's old school, eh, this guy?
Fuck management.
Shit.
Don't worry. Housekeeping will find you.
I wonder what the punishment is for killing on the hotel. Is that an AR-15? The amount of fire coming in. You reckon these guys have vests on? I suppose it wouldn't matter though, would it? Not if the caliber of the round is big enough, it would just push through the vest. Man, beautiful reload. Damn, what a hit. Dude went flying.
Okay. Step aside. Give me your son.
Yeah.
When Ellen died, I lost everything. Until that dog arrived on my doorstep.
Hey, and it was innocent.
For my wife. In that moment, I received some semblance of hope. An opportunity to grieve unalone. And your son.
Yeah, because that would have been a memory of her that he could have hung on to and clung on to.
Stole that from me. Killed that from me! People keep asking if I'm back, and I haven't really had an answer. But now, yeah,
Oh,
I'm
shit.
thinking on back. So you can either hand over your son,
Fuck, he's in that mood, eh?
die screaming alongside him.
Man, they got him right at the end too when he used all of his breath. Good shot. So he's not trying to kill him then. He's actually a real mate and trying to help him out. That makes sense why he missed that sniper shot in that building and hit the pillow, right? This the same dude as before that he fought in the nightclub? Man, this dude has some hands. He's got some good combos too. John's at a disadvantage as well. He's got his hands tied. That's where that dude needs to get those hooks in there and wrap his legs around John Wick so he can't keep turning and twisting. Good knee. Just saying, that was illegal in the UFC, kneeing him in the head from the ground. He bit his thumb! In the eyes! He's got no rules. Yeah, it's over. Good night. Damn, John Wick is a savage. And he snapped it. That dude was good. But John Wick's better. What type of shotgun is that? It's a slug. They're shooting a slug. Because there's no pellet spray on the window. Goodbye, your driver.
John!
Nah, no reasoning, bro.
Where is he? Shit!
God, he is so good. Like, imagine you trying to kill this dude like 3 times and he just keeps showing up.
Let me walk away.
Pull the contract.
Done.
Still amazes me, like, he's still a man of honor even after all of this.
Wallace Place. They know you're coming.
Of course. But it won't matter.
At this rate, it won't matter. He's gonna be on like a 80 kill streak at the moment.
Got off.
Damn, his aim's horrible in that game. It's already taken him out.
Stop playing that fucking video game!
Bro, John Wick is ruthless. He does not care. Pop, pop.
Get down, get down!
Pop. God, he's so accurate. I'm honestly amazed at how proficient he is. There goes your escape vehicles, buddy. Where are you running, boy? Shouldn't have killed that dog. Just walking at him, man. No emotion. Didn't even let him finish his sentence. Now what though? He's got his target. Does he have to take out the dad? Because he's just gonna try to avenge his son, right? No matter what.
Make the arrangements.
He knew that phone call was to say your son's dead. Imagine being a father, and someone like kills your kid and you know you can't do anything about it because he's just so good and so efficient. But she's still watching him. What's she up to? Got a pretty big cut on her forehead though. Bro's in there with the blanket.
It's time to go home.
Respect, bro. Goes to show you, stay loyal to the ones that are loyal to you. Who are these three? There's that lawyer. Why does he look so casual about it? Look at him.
Let's get on with this. Whatever the fuck this is.
Does that even work? Icing your knuckles?
You pulled the contract. And while it was open, you had every chance. Every opportunity.
Or you reckon it's just for like a numbing factor before you start hitting, so you can hit harder because you can't feel it.
Will be still alive.
And in so doing,
This dude is a pussy though, eh? He's got like what, 4 other dudes there, 2 holding him down.
Thank you.
Like the guy in the shield would probably absolutely smoke him if they weren't there.
Not surprised.
In for a penny, in for a pound.
So, John.
Damn, that man just spat their blood on the ground.
I always liked you, Marcus.
It's fearless, eh?
Last of the old guard.
They're torturing him. She's into it.
Others, you go out on my terms. Go out on my own.
Bro, he's going out like a G. He's getting up. He said your bullets do nothing.
See?
He did though, eh? He went out on his own terms like he said. But overboard.
Well played, old friend.
Friend, you don't kill your friends. See, he screwed up. He killed John Wick's friend. He's so dead. He just doesn't even know it yet. Bro, he literally went and killed his son for killing the dog. Imagine what he's gonna do for him killing his best mate. This chick, it's like a viper.
Miss Perkins.
What's going on here?
Your membership to the Continental has been by thine own hand revoked.
Got kicked out of the hotel. No way did they just quad pop her. Shit, what a way to go. Oh shit, man.
We live by a code, which is why I'm not the one telling you with a certain helicopter to a certain helipad is being fueled for a certain someone.
I still can't believe they just popped her like that. Those are rules in that hotel you do not want to break. She was a good fighter too. She could have done like 6 different contracts and got the same money. Let's go.
Oh, fuck.
It's the Grim Reaper himself, buddy. But I hit him with that cop maneuver. Oh, they're gone. It's like a 40-meter drop.
Shit. God damn, I knew he'd come.
He did everything wrong though, that guy. Like, why would you even ring John Wick? Why would you not kill his mate and then gap and then ring him?
What's fucking wrong with this guy? Somebody give me a gun. Who's got a gun?
He told you he's persistent. Bro, I don't think a gun even matters of John Wick. He down. God, he is so good. Like, he uses absolutely everything at his disposal. He's used the car as a battering ram twice. 3 times. What are you gonna do there though? Because he's behind the barricade, right? You can't just ram that one. That was smooth. That was so smooth.
Push it.
Here's your gun, bro. Good luck.
English.
Why is he talking good?
Look.
Russian cocksucker.
Bro, run and gap and just jump into the water, surely. He gave him one bullet. Oh, is he gonna run him over? At least he didn't kill him. Where did this dude come from? Go, bro, it's getting close to that edge. That's his brand new car too. You definitely got to kill this guy. Killed your best mate, destroyed your car. His son killed your dog.
No more bullets.
Bro, you ain't beating John Wick in hand to hand. This dude knows like 9 different martial arts.
You and me, John.
He karate chopped his neck into the right hand. He gave him the Stockton slap. It's a Nate and Nick Diaz special he just got. He's probably like twice John Wick's age though, right? No, what happened to hand to hand? Cheating already. I like how he like just took the 2 punches to the face so that he didn't let go of the knife either. He shanked himself. Catch your elbow. Is that like right there in between the collarbone? I wonder where the main artery is in here. Look at that, 3 days ago he was living his best life and then his kid fucked up and now he's dying for it. The whole family's no more. Tell you what though, he's taking a beating in this movie, John Wick.
Come on, John. Let's go home.
So this is the start of the movie. This is where it started from. Now we know why he was bleeding so much. That'll be like antibacterial, right? So he doesn't get an infection. You reckon you'll still have internal bleeding from the knife though? Like surely you'd have to get that operated on, right? Cool looking dog. Beautiful looking dog. His wife wanted him to get a dog, so he got a dog anyway. So we just finished watching John Wick 1. Man, this was a good movie. Action start to finish. The way he's so proficient at killing. Like when those dudes first showed up at his house, he took out like what, 16 people? Like 50% of them in hand-to-hand combat. The way he broke that dude's neck on the counter and just cracked it. That was crazy. And then you got like Perkins, who broke those rules at the Continental, all for like $4 million. Like, she was a good fighter, so you think she would have just taken like 6 different contracts and made that money in the first place. And now look at her, she ended up getting, what, quad popped, right? Bloody, that dude killing John Wick's dog, there was no need for that. That was some peasanty stuff. All that for a car. So I'm pretty happy that John Wick ended up tracking him down, but God, what a body rate he left there, right? Tracking him down. And he did kill him pretty quick in the end. And then you got John Wick's mate, who was actually loyal to the end as well. Like, I didn't think he was with that sniper rifle, but he ended up waking him up with the sniper. And then he ended up killing that dude who was taking all the oxygen from his lungs with that plastic bag around his head. So that saved his life, because that definitely would have killed him. But yeah, honestly, great movie. Like, the reloading in it, awesome. The hand-to-hand combat, awesome. They use like jiu-jitsu, everything. It's just kind of realistic, to be honest. I give this movie, honestly, a 9 out of 10. It was a great movie.